79th Independence Day. So all of you, wish you all the best, and I congratulate to all the members. So today, how we are sitting freely and how we are enjoying freely because of the God freedom. So many members, so many freedom fighters, they fought for independence and they sacrificed their life. They went to jail also. So who are the freedom fighters? Do you know? Huh? What are the names of them? Okay, first of all, Bhagat Singh. Okay, very good. Bhagat Singh. And next, violence. So they inspired violence. So non-violent movement who started? Mahatma Gandhi. So we fought in many ways. After that we got freedom. Okay, na? So, but you are misusing the freedom. Are you misusing? Yes. No one is, hey, how is? No one is following the rules and regulations. First you study well and work hard. So, achieve your goal. But achieve your goal, you work hard, Anna. So, what is your ambition? Keep in your mind. Okay, now? What do you want to become? An engineer? What do you want to become? Software engineer? Okay. So, don't think only software engineer you are thinking, but don't think like that. Go in different ways. Okay, now? What is the subject you like most? To go in that way. Okay, now? So most of all the members, they don't know how to do math, but they are taking MPs. But some members, they are fearing to dissect flags and cockroaches, but they are taking that PC. So